Hello everyone, I am Anandita and welcome to my channel Anandita the Tutor. So I will be teaching you all several subjects. First I will complete with accountancy. So we will start with the subject. Our today's topic will be introduction to bookkeeping and accountancy. So first we will learn about what is bookkeeping. Bookkeeping and accountancy both have same meaning, but there is some difference that we will be learning in the future videos. Okay, so bookkeeping and accountancy both are related to business transactions. So all the businesses that we do, there are some activities that we do. So we buy products, raw materials, then we manufacture them into finished goods and then we sell it. Okay, so that purchasing, that production and that selling all have some expenses. We earn something and we spend our money also. So all that recording, all those business transactions we will be recording in bookkeeping and accountancy. Okay. So here the activities which involve exchange of money or money's worth, we record those activities only. So money you know, and money's worth is anything that you give instead of money. So you all must have heard about barter system. So during barter system there was no money, but we used to give something in exchange of money. So that is known as money's worth. So all those activities which include money or money's worth, all those activities will be recorded in book accounting, bookkeeping and accountancy. Here, why is this done? It is done to take important decisions. Now, what decisions are taken? Whatever activities we conduct, if those are feasible, if they are profitable, whether to continue these activities or not, those important decisions are taken with the help of accounting. Okay. So, for example, you are manufacturing a line of products. Product A, product B, product C. Now in that, you all will check if product A, product B or product C, if any of the products is incurring you losses. If yes, then you will stop the production of that product and then you will continue with the rest of the products. Okay. So those decisions are taken with the help of accounting. And it is required by who? It is not only required by the proprietor or the manufacturers. It's required by everyone. Okay, so the proprietor, the manufacturers, the customers, the government, everyone needs it. Okay, these people are known as stakeholders. Now stakeholders is a new word for you all maybe. In any organization there are people who are connected to that organization. Those people are known as stakeholders. So if you take a school, in a school there are stakeholders such as principal, there will be teaching staff, there will be non-teaching staff, the students parents also will be included in that, the finance providers for the school, all those people will be known as the stakeholders. So stakeholders of a business also. Who are the stakeholders of the business? The proprietor, the employees of the business, the customers, the government, everyone will be the stakeholders. These stakeholders will require this information for some of the other purpose. Okay, so this is the meaning of bookkeeping and accountancy. Now we will learn about evolution of accounting. So how did accounting came into our lives? We will learn that. Okay, so you all must have studied history in your school, obviously. So you all must be knowing who is Chandragupta Maurya. So during his regime, there was one minister whose name was Kautilya. Now Kautilya is also known as Chanakya or Vishnugupta also. Okay, so if you all are not aware of the Chanakya name, then you can hear the name Kautilya or the Vishnugupta. Okay, he had written one book known as Arthashastra. So what is Arthashastra? Artha means money and Shastra means the science. The science of money or economy, that is known as Arthashastra. So in that book, we found traces of maintaining accounting records. So he had mentioned about recording whatever activities we come across in our business lives. Okay, so that was known as, that recording was known as Deshinama, and therefore we started recording our accounts. Whatever activities we came across, all the money and all, we started recording it. Now accounting was done by agents of properties at that time. So who are the agents? Agents are basically the middlemen. So you all go to some sabji mandi and all. There are people who are selling those vegetables now. Okay, so sometimes there are farmers, or there are farmers agents. So the farmer will not sell the vegetables on behalf of him. Somebody else will sell the vegetable. Okay, so that person is known as agents. So there were agents of property owners also. Okay, so owners of property, real estate ones, they used to appoint some people, and those people used to record accounting for whom? The owners of the property. Okay, because the owners of the property, they will not have any time to record. Na? They have to manage so many things. So who will do that? The agents used to do that recording. Okay, so in that they found the words debit and credit. Don't worry about these words for now. You will come across these words soon later. Okay, so this was in 12th century. We found these words debit and credit. Then soon after that, in 1494, one Italian merchant whose name was Luca di Barbo Pacioli, he introduced the system known as double entry bookkeeping system. So double entry bookkeeping system means there are debit and credit effects in that, and he assumed that a single transaction which comes in that, there are two effects. Okay, so if I am receiving money, I have one account and somebody else have given me money now, so that person will also come in this system. So my name Anandita and the person who gave me the money, that person, we both are included in double entry system, bookkeeping system. Now we'll continue with the history of the, accountancy, but in a different form. So here there are branches of accounting. Now how these branches came in life, we'll learn that. So the first branch is known as financial accounting. Now when did this come? It came between 18th and 19th century during the Industrial Revolution. Now again in history, you all must have learned Industrial Revolution in European history. So what is industrialization? First of all, it is from agricultural system to manufacturing system. So first people used to work in agricultural farms, and then they realized that we cannot use these agricultural products directly, so they came into manufacturing. So the evolution of manufacturing started. That is known as industrialization. All the factories and all were set up during that time. So that is known as industrialization. During industrialization, we realized that we have to record all the activities related to money's worth. So that gave birth to financial accounting. Second branch is cost accounting, which is my favorite subject. And this came into effect in 19th century, late 19th centuries. So by the end of 19th centuries, we realized that now we have to grow our manufacturing systems. So our manufacturing was there, but we have to grow that, okay, for better yield. Now in cost accounting, what is there? We have to record all the cost and cost of goods and services. Okay, so there are not only goods, there are services also. You go into hotel, restaurant and you eat food, that is a service. You go into a salon and you cut your hair, that is a service. So all the services also incur cost, right? So that also is recorded in cost accounting. Now the third branch is management accounting. This is used for decision making purposes, to take various decisions. Now in financial accounting and in cost accounting, you have to perform so many activities which you cannot perform unless and until you have planned it. Okay, so if you have not planned it, you will incur losses and you will have to eventually shut your business. So that means decision making. This decision making is done with the help of management accounting, which came into effect in 20th century. Then in 20th century itself, tax accounting also came, and we have to conform to our laws and regulations, taxation laws. So you have to pay your taxes on time. You shouldn't do tax evasion and all. So all these words you will learn in your future. Now in 21st century, which is going on right now, in this we have social responsibility accounting, which is done for CSR. Now what is CSR? Corporate social responsibility. All these words you will learn. Okay. For now, just you have to rote learn this everything. Later on, you will understand the meanings. Then there is forensic accounting also. It is to detect frauds. So all the people are not honest like us. So they commit frauds to save taxes, to not pay money or anything. They want to earn more income. So they commit frauds. To detect all those frauds, there is forensic accounting. And the last branch is sustainability accounting. Now you all cannot perform all the activities without taking care of your environment. You live in a society, you have to take care of your society. Okay. So along with maintaining your accounts, in this sustainability accounting, environmental and social impact is also checked, and all the required steps are taken in sustainability accounting. So this was the first part, and I hope you all have understood this video, whatever I have taught. If you all have any doubts, you can ask me freely in the comment section. I will respond to your doubts. And thanks for watching my video. If you all like my video, please like, share and subscribe.